Did you know that 70% of your immune system is in your gut? Or that stress can weaken your immunity by up to 60%? In this video, we'll be discussing simple daily habits that can help you boost your immunity. But before we dive in, make sure to stay tuned for more videos like this one. Your immune system is your body's defense against illness and disease, and it's especially important in the year of 2025, which is predicted to be the year of many health challenges. Unfortunately, many people have a weakened immune system due to stress, poor diet, and lack of exercise. This can lead to frequent illness and a decreased quality of life. However, there are simple daily habits that can help you boost your immunity and improve your overall health. These include staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and incorporating foods like yogurt, garlic, and ginger into your meals. One habit that has been proven to significantly boost immunity is getting sunlight. Just 10 minutes of sun exposure a day can increase your vitamin D levels and strengthen your immune system. By incorporating these easy habits into your daily routine, you can help your body fight off illness and disease and improve your overall health and well-being. So make sure to stay tuned for more videos on immunity boosting and other wellness topics. And don't forget to share your own immunity boosting habits in the comments below.